here we have come up with world-class architecture. We have partnered with 2+ design firm. Mystery and wonder, sense of wonder that we have tried to emulate in this project, borrowing from the Antelopes Canyon of Arizona, USA.
We have 14,000 square feet of clubhouse. I definitely want you to put a light on this.
The 14,000 square feet of clubhouse that I have, we have named as the Carnelian Clubhouse.
Today we are in heart of Bangalore, North Bangalore, which is Devanalli, and we are right in between 130 plus acres of Brigade Orchards. I'm sure most of them know about this project, right? Today we have come to this location specifically to learn more about Merushri Antelopes, which is Arizona's Canyon theme project. First time in Bangalore. This is by Merushri. This company is run by or managed by Mr. Venkateshwar Reddy, who is an IIT person and who has a lot of patent. This is the brainchild of Mr. Venkatesh, and it is also a brainchild of 4 different world-renowned architects who have put their experience together and come up with this unique concept in the heart of North Bangalore. This is something which created a lot of interest when we talk about regular villa projects. Today, if you see in Bangalore, there are a lot of green element theme villa projects with different elements, different angles, different themes. So Merushri has come up with this Antelope Canyon, right, which is very famous. You all have seen this on your monitor screens maybe a decade back, right? So this is all about the project. We have Miss Rajoshri, who will take us through the project today and will give all the insights. Today we are here in Merushri Antelope with Rajoshri, who is a project head, who will take us through the every bits and pieces, the architectural design, the appeal of the project, the brain behind the project, and everything about this 130 acres of Brigade Orchid and 9 acres of Merushri Antelope in a very prime location. Hi, Rajoshri.
Hi, sir.
Thanks for inviting us. It is pleasure. Thank you.
Pleasure. So, yeah, just to sum up about my project, it's not just a regular home, but it's a piece of art sculpted in a canvas of nature. So, out of my 9 acres, I have almost 40% of open space in my project and 118 exclusive villas for the go-getters out there, who are connoisseurs of art, who like to value something unique. Okay. And it's, as I said, not just a regular home, but it's a concept of conscious living blended into modern luxury with cutting-edge technologies, fully home automated villas. So yeah, that's just a glimpse.
Wonderful. If you're someone who is looking for art-based, villa development in Bangalore, and especially in North Bangalore, Merushri Antelope is something you really have to look. We'll go to the miniature, the model, and everything that this project has to offer. Watch the video till the end. So let's get right into the question. What is that one unique thing which Merushri Antelope has, which Bangalore has never seen yet?
Okay. So, I think to answer your question precisely, my project is a composite, solution to the already existing complex problems in the micro market of North Bangalore. Because here mostly what we observed is people who are very keen on getting some new experience away from the hustle bustle of the city, want to shift to North Bangalore. But somehow mostly the market was flooded with only plotted developments, and people didn't have the luxury of time to stand there and invest that amount of time, let's say 2 years or 3 years, into building their dream house.
True.
But here we have come up with world-class architecture. We have partnered with 2+ design firm. So they are a design collaborative who have designed this wonderful masterpiece where you are not just living inside your house, but every day you feel like you're living a masterpiece in itself. The interplay of light and shadow inside my every unit, so thoughtfully designed, that every day you wake up to a new experience. There's a mystery and wonder, sense of wonder that we have tried to emulate in this project, borrowing from the Antelope's Canyon of Arizona, USA. So that is the key concept over here. And the uniqueness, I would say, is the brand in itself. We are doing one project at a time so that we can work on feedback basis with collaborating with customers.
Okay.
So your suggestions are welcome, and we can emulate that while we are constructing this.
Wonderful.
So this is 9 acres of awe, where we have almost 40% open space with beautifully designed theme parks over here. So it's not just regular parks, but a multi-dimensional and multi-layered parks, where every other step you take is a different world that opens up to you.
Okay. So when we talk about multi-layered park, how do we define it for someone who doesn't know about it?
So plainly speaking, from a layman's standpoint, if you see the Antelope's Canyon, USA, so that is the most photographed place in the world, one of the most photographed place in the world. So you might have seen it in your Windows wallpaper.
Yes.
So there is, strands of different kind of stones, different colors of stone, and totally organic architecture going on there. So that is what we have tried to bring in over here. Break the monotony of straight lines and the old boring architecture of just straight concrete blocks, but the a palette of earth that we have got it over here. So you can see a lot of organic architecture going on over here. So we have multi layering. To what I was talking about is an intelligent design concept. What we have done over here is we have not just given flat parks. These are tiered hillocks ranging from a height of 8 feet to 14 feet.
Okay.
So that creates a visual interplay. So it feels very unique in nature. So these thermopine treated bridges which you see, these are very intelligently designed again. These are designed in such a way that the number of amenities in a single space is doubled up.
Okay.
And also, if you see a key concept what modern day housing societies are facing is urban heat island concept. Because my design concept is based on the pillar of sustainability, so we wanted to reduce the urban heat island effect going on over here. So already, as I mentioned, that you're encircled in 80 acres of greenery with 6,000 plus trees already around you, and here also almost 2 acres of park you have. Okay,
So this area will be 2 acres?
close to
Okay.
2 acres. So these bridges that you see, these are have multiple uses in a single go. Like these have amenities on the top tier itself. These act as natural shading, so you can enjoy your amenities, be it sun, be it rain, in every season. So it's multi-seasonal also.
Okay.
And also it helps in reducing the urban heat island effect, as I mentioned. So all these tiered hillocks that you see, these are specially designed with geotextile fibers, absorbing 3 times more water than normal grass or soil.
Okay.
Okay. So there are rainwater harvesting wells just beneath it. So there's 3x more water recycling also.
Okay.
And the number of spaces is also increased where, be it the senior citizens, be it the children, everybody can use those spaces.
So you're saying this is a pure end-use project where you guys have designed everything keeping in mind that people, when they come and live here, they should really enjoy
Yes.
the art, the different design,
Yes.
the unique style that we have made.
So it's like your resort living blended into a daily end-use product.
Yeah, right. And tell me, Rajeshri, has Bangalore seen any of such theme project yet? Antelope Canyon.
As I told, that today everything seems so repetitive in nature, only straight lines and concrete blocks.
Blogs.
So it's very monotonous,
Yes.
and there's no character to the house you live in, the home that you would want to call. So I believe my project brings in that perfect solution to the problems that Bangalore is having these days. Be it water scarcity. So we have planned in such a way that your homes are not just homes for 10-15 years, but maybe for the future generations to come.
Okay. That's why we call water sustainable home.
Yes, these are water positive homes.
Okay.
So we have designed the whole thing in such a way that your water recycling, rainwater harvesting is 3 times more than what you see in a normal maybe society or campus.
Wonderful, yeah, wonderful. I would also like to see your independent villa structure.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So here I present to you my model villa. This is 1:500 model of my east facing villas. This is 35 by 45 plots
Okay.
with a super built up area of 3,502 square feet.
3,502 square feet. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So at first glance, you'll feel like this is a G+1 structure.
Yes.
Because we want to give that privacy to your master suites, which is on the topmost floor, which is sunken a
Okay.
bit. Okay. So this is a 4 BHK fully home automated villas. So you can see you have 2 covered car parks, 1 EV charging station that comes with it. Every home will have a mini Miyawaki forest in front of them. So you can see, I would like to quote architect Mies van der Rohe here, that God is in the details.
Okay.
So here you can see the little details are taken care of, which speaks of the luxury that is going to be lived by you every day. So here you can see this mini Miyawaki forest comes with a traditional Indian, let's say, chopal, seating areas where you can sit in the evening, talk to your neighbors. Somewhat the concept which is getting lost in the modern society. Okay, so this is what comes additionally with every home.
Okay.
Then the color palette you can see is totally earth. So you have terracotta cladding which acts as a natural coolant to your house. So you enter into a posh area. Then you have a totally open floor plan over here. So we have a fully open floor plan where we go into your living area separated from the dining area via a Zen court. Then you have an open kitchen concept and a utility area, a separate entrance to the utility also from the back door.
Okay.
Okay, we are giving an inbuilt ThyssenKrupp lift, German made, not just the provision unlike other developers, but the whole lift in itself. So in your 4 BHK villas, you have 3 living spaces, 3 different tiers in itself, and maybe I would say 3 different destinations in itself.
Okay.
The ground floor living is for your guests, first floor living is for your family and yourself, and this you can see every floor has a lot of opening awnings going on. So here we have given a L-shaped glass floor to ceiling to capture maximum sunlight over here. So these also have automated blinds. All my common areas, they have motion sensor lights also. So here in the first floor I have 2 bedrooms. Each of them have a balcony attached. You have a walk-in closet in both of them and an attached washroom with shower cubicles from Saint Gobain.
Okay.
Then coming to my top floor, you have your master suite over here. Then again a walk-in closet, and I would like to call the star of the house maybe the rain shower area. So the shower cubicle is designed in a way that you can enjoy natural rains also. So that's again a connect to the nature you're getting back inside your house. And it also has indoor party space just for yourself to relax, and almost a 300 square feet of extended party deck over here. So you have a 2 feet of parapet and 4 feet of green hedge, what we will be providing with a pergola, so that you are enclosed from all the sides while you're partying. The 6 feet of enclosures while you're natural enclosures and sound insulation while you're partying here on your deck.
So this comes in all the villas or in this dimension?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every villa. We have only north and east facing villas, respecting the local Bangalore culture, what people like here.
So Vastu is taken care.
Yes, definitely Vastu is taken care of. So your master bedrooms come in southwest or Kuber Kon, and your kitchens are either in the southeast, which is Agneya Kon, or northwest, which is the Vayu Kon. And your entrance is only from east or north.
So you're saying a lot of mind has been used while designing, keeping in mind that someone is looking for Vastu compliant home, we have.
We have it.
Okay, wonderful. I think it's a beautiful presentation of a villa. It's not just a villa. That's why Miss Rajoshri has been explaining every bits and pieces of this project. So let's continue with other questions. In this project, we have 14,000 square feet of clubhouse, which is uniquely designed. I definitely want you to put a light on this.
Definitely. So the 14,000 square feet of clubhouse that I have, we have named as the Carnelian clubhouse. So Carnelian is a semi-precious gemstone found in the Antelope Valley.
ये भी उधर से है.
वैसे टाइप का. तो इसमें जो आप देख रहे हैं जो आर्किटेक्चर है काफ़ी लाइट है, yet we have packed the whole clubhouse with 22 plus indoor amenities. So you can see we have a beautiful infinity pool here with a sun deck, yoga area, then your barbecue area also, partying area over here. So a lot of amenities, indoor squash courts, then you have your meeting room, work from home offices also present. So blend of your personal retreat, business hub, entertainment zone, all clubbed up into one luxurious space. So I would also like to highlight my meditation court over here. So which is again the star of my all the amenities, because people might say that park तो होता ही है, क्लब हाउस तो होता ही है, आपके प्रोजेक्ट में क्या ऐसा डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर है. तो यहाँ पे देखिए, दिस मेडिटेटिव केव इन इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी डिफरेंटली थॉट यूनिक feature which we have given. So this is an experience in itself. So that is my fitness park, from where you do your cardio exercise, and from there you transition from a running or jogging track over here, which gives you a feel of running through a valley. And then you smoothly transition after all your cardio into a meditative zone over here. So you enter from a tunnel, isolating you from the rest of the world into your peaceful haven over here. So this has triangular stone nooks, if you can see, with a tree in the center.
Yes.
So it's naturally shaded over here, and these stone nooks, once you sit and close your eyes, meditate, after 10-15 minutes you'll feel when you open your eyes that, oh, I'm floating in mid-air. So these are floating stones.
Okay.
What I would.
Okay. So this is the most beautiful spot
Yes.
in the project.
Yes, definitely. Because this is very close to even this infinity swimming pool. So your water trickles down and also gives a calming effect while you're meditating.
Okay. Okay. So it is very thoughtfully planned.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for giving this information, which is really unique in the project. Rajeshri, I also wanted to know, more about the specification, the timelines, the offerings, the facings, and the bigger dimension villa that we have.
Definitely. So coming to the specifications and the sizes, so we have 35-45 plots as my starting range, with a super built up area of 3,428 square feet. And as I mentioned, we have only north and east facing. So 3,428 square feet, what we are launching right now is my north facing villas.
Okay.
We also have 3,502 square feet east facing villas and 3,874 square feet of east facing villas, which is my largest dimension that I have. So coming to the timelines, so as per RERA, we are to deliver by 2030,
Okay.
but we are already ahead of our timelines, and tentatively we can give it by 2028.
Ah, that's great. Okay. Okay. And when we talk about materials and all which is used in construction, how confident are we in quality?
Yes. My architects are 2+ Design. So they are a design collaborative, very well renowned. So they are the ones who are designing this beautiful piece. So the material palette, as I mentioned, is totally earth based. So basic civil building work is basically RCC framework itself. So you can do your customizations also. Okay. And coming to the external facade, we have terracotta cladding and ribbed concrete design. So it is easier to maintain. The terracotta also gives you a natural coolant in general. So your house interiors are also cool. Seeing the right now the weather and all, global climate change, whatever is happening,
This is needed.
this is needed. Your house to be naturally cool. Yeah. So that is the material palette I have. Talking about the interiors, we have engineered marble flooring for the common areas, and for your bedrooms we have wooden laminate flooring.
For all the bedrooms?
Yes, for all the bedrooms.
Okay.
And the balconies have anti-skid floorings, as well as your washrooms have anti-skid floorings. Washrooms are carefully designed, to have a his and her sink. Let's say self-care in females are more predominant, but we also want the males to, indulge in self-care and unwind from their, daily hustle bustle. So we have separate his and her sinks in every of the washrooms. So you have a open washroom concept also. I would like to show you that also, already present in our site.
Wonderful. North Bangalore is in the limelight and the whole Bangalore, right? Because there is so much happening in North Bangalore. When we talk about infrastructure, when we talk about new IP, when we talk about the momentum, the new companies taking place, tech parks are coming, residential is growing, we have roads, we have airport, so much happening, right? And there is nothing just on paper. Things are happening right in front of our eyes, right? We're talking about metro is happening. We're talking about airport terminal 2. It is up and running, and it is creating that wow factor for all the international travelers. So I would want you to put little light on this whole location, right? Because this is attracting a lot of NRIs, people from Delhi, Bombay, Pune. They are interested to invest in our North Bangalore, in different parcels like plots, apartments and villas. Due to high pollution in Delhi and that side, I keep getting a lot of calls where people really want their second home in Bangalore because of fresh air, water, the welcome that we Bangaloreans usually give to people from other states. Bangalore has created that, brand value in entire India today in terms of IT and everything. So what is your view on that?
So yes, I think Bangalore is a blessed land because in terms of natural resources, be it clean air, be the fabulous weather, be the greenery, and the people in general, so welcoming. So yes, that has eventually helped Bangalore be the Silicon Valley of India. And North Bangalore, as you said correctly, is now the new Bangalore, I think. So here, I think infrastructure projects, you name it, North Bangalore has it. So 15 minutes from here, your international airport, Kempegoda International Airport. So a lot of commercial activities in and around the airport, buzzing. So in general, the local economy also has grown a lot. And be it the Blue Line metro coming up to the airport, so that is giving tremendous impetus to the land values over here. And 1,000 acres of massive KIDB tech park that is coming up. Not just coming up, already Amazon and Boeing already.
Amazon, Boeing, Foxconn
already their
starting.
Yes.
A lot of things.
Headquarters are over here. So massive employment opportunities over here. Close to about more than 20-30 lakhs people being employed over here. Obviously, the housing demand will not reduce. Okay, so catering to that, this is the heart of, I would say, all the development that is coming up over here. So whether you are a savvy investor, definitely the land value, tremendous increment you will see. And be it an end user, maybe your children want top-notch education, just in 10 minutes radius we have that all. Be it your retreat, a holiday home, we already are situated in a 80 acres of lush green lung over here. So an lifetime oxygen supply for you is guaranteed, clean.
That itself add lot of value.
Yes.
What excited me about Merushri Antelope was it is inside 130 plus acres of Brigade Orchid, right? Which is ready to use community. You have schools operational, you have a hospital operational, you have shopping mall, you name it, you have it, right? Usually when end users look for a villa, which are usually on the outskirts of Bangalore, right, where you don't see that development and you don't feel like living there once you get the position. But I think in this project, the moment people get possession, I think they can start living a regular and normal life. Right? Everything on your fingertips. We have all the deliveries now available in this massive community with larger open space. Like you said, 70% is open space with 6,000 to 7,000 established trees. We have cricket stadium. There's so much. I think unless you don't visit this location, you will not know there is a world inside this 130 acre.
So we definitely want you to come and experience the masterpiece we have curated for you over here. So unless and until you come and see with your own eyes, I think the camera or maybe me talking and putting words to it will not do the justification for it.
I think it will take minimum 2 to 3 hours for you to visit this place and also check the whole community. Usually it is like 30 minutes for a visit and they see people explain and they leave. But when you enter here, make sure you have 3 to 4 hours for this project to explore end to end, right?
So the experience has to sink into you.
Exactly. Can you see the confidence on Rajushri's face? That is what attracts end users, because it is a confidence which puts a lot of value in real estate in today's market. That is why I think we are here to review in depth about this project. And one more thing I want to cover in this video is I want you to put little bit more light on the founder of Merushri, because I have heard a lot about this gentleman. He's an IIT passed out. He has seen the world,
Yeah.
right? He understands the taste, he understands the terminology of real estate. And from plotted development projects in North Bangalore, having such a big land bank, he has started, Merushri Antelope as one of the unique and first villa development project under Merushri. I want you to tell more about, this personality and character.
So, as you correctly penned, Mr. Venkateshwara Reddy is the founder of Merushri. So, he is an IIT Madras alumni. So, he has worked for a decade, more than a decade in the US with IBM. So, he is having a lot of patents under his name. So, he's a little genius and scientist in himself.
Wonderful. Like an Amir Khan in 3 years.
You can say. So he wanted to bring the lifestyle, the Silicon Valley lifestyle of US to the Silicon Valley of India over here in Bangalore. And North Bangalore, as I mentioned, the vicinities here are vast. So we are one of the fastest growing developers of North Bangalore. We are focusing only on North Bangalore. So we have already delivered 8 projects, plotted developments near to the vicinity of grade A builders.
Okay.
Maybe you can go and have a look at Sunlit Grove. You can go and have a look at Merushri Serene. So all are in IVC Road near to House of Hiranandani. So we are mostly in North Bangalore itself.
Wonderful. Devanali was a place for investors, few years back. Today, it's a market for end user, right? We are seeing a lot of people moving to North Bangalore. Many projects have given position. We can talk about the project we are sitting at. We can see families living, thriving and whatnot, right? If I want to compare apartment versus villa, right? What I have been observing since last 3-4 months is the price of apartment is equal to the price of villa, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So the new launches which we are seeing in North Bangalore versus the villa project. Villas are very limited when we compare it to apartment. What is your take on that?
I think North Bangalore market in itself, tremendous growth, tremendous price appreciation in itself is there. But what we observed is, as you mentioned, 10,000, 11,000 rupees per SFT for an apartment where you don't even own the land. And even we have seen products which give you a villa, but those are not villas. Those are row houses.
Row houses, yeah.
Or maybe you don't even own the land. You get a UDS, undivided land share. Yeah, if you are comparing apartment and villas, it's not the right take, I believe, because comparing apples and oranges, I believe. Our solution for the problem that we saw in the market of North Bangalore is what we have tried to inculcate here. So, at the same per SFT rate of an apartment is what we are offering over here.
Okay.
The villa. So here the land is yours, the house is yours. You don't have any common wall or shared wall, so your privacy is absolutely maintained, and the sky above you is also yours. So पूरा ज़मीन, घर, आसमान आपका है. Not like an apartment की 4 दीवारी, उसमें भी कॉमन वॉल, उसमें भी आपको चिक लिफ्ट यूज करने के लिए, वो सब नहीं है यहाँ.
Okay. So anyone who values the land, right, owning a piece of land.
That's the emotion for a lot of people.
100%. Very true. So this is a pure, again I would like to iterate on this. There's a pure end use product. And अगर investors की हम लोग बात करें तो investors भी पैसा उधर ही लगाते हैं जहाँ पे end user होता है. It is not that
Competition कम रहेगा.
Exactly. तो जितने ज़्यादा एंड यूज़र आएंगे, जितनी ज़्यादा लिवेबिलिटी बढ़ेगी, उतना ही ज़्यादा डिमांड बढ़ेगा. इफ़ यू गाइज हैव सीन एम्बेसी बुलेवार्ड, ट्रू ब्लू, नापा वैली और प्रेस्टीज गोल्फ शेयर, सेंचुरी, These were the villa projects which started on a minimal price. Today it is 2x the price because you have land, you have villa, you have everything, right? When we compare villa with apartment, yes, villa is always on the top because the ownership, the privacy, the quality of construction, the everything about villa is different from apartment. Apartment is a different concept. I'm not saying no one should buy. Please buy if it is your first home. Definitely go for it. But when you are extending your family, you want peace, harmony, and something covered by green elements. You should choose such villa projects, and I think that's why Merushri Antelope is attracting a lot of doctors, business owners, and high-tech IT professionals who really are looking to add value to their daily life, right?
It's a project for a select few,
Okay.
for the connoisseurs of art, the go-getters. So, and I think my product fits right into equally good for investors as well as end users. So, be it you want to develop your investments, or maybe you are extending out your family, you want your kids to have world-class education, you want your kids to have world-class higher education, all is in my 10 to 15 minutes radius. And you can already see that we are enclosed in a 2000 plus families already existing in this strong neighborhood. So it's not that a distant dream that North Bangalore properties often portray or show. ओके दैट हाँ 10 साल में आएगा, 5 साल में आएगा, वैसा नहीं. ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. यू हैव मॉल्स, यू हैव your schools, colleges, Stonehill International, one of the best schools in India, top 10 schools in India, School of Global Minds. Just beside that, we have a wonderful stadium. So those are the rows of villas you can see where we are launching right now. So those have unhindered morning sunlight because that is east. So you have the morning sun directly coming into your house. So the houses are designed in such a way that until 5:30 p.m. you get natural light filtered until your lower floors also.
Okay.
So the concept of antelopes, the interplay of light and shadow, beautifully emulating in my project.
So basically what Merushri people are saying is ये पहला विला प्रोजेक्ट है जहाँ पे पूरी सोसाइटी बन गई, उसके बाद विला बना रहे हैं. तो यूजुअली क्या होता है, पहले विला बनाते हैं, फिर सोसाइटी वगैरह काम होता है,
फिर इंफ्रा डेवलप होगा.
Exactly.
यहाँ ऑलरेडी सब कुछ डन है. आपको आना है, देखना है, पसंद करना है, एंड द होम दैट यू वांट टू कॉल इज योर्स.
Okay. So what's the best way for our viewers to experience this living work of art?
So a site visit is all it takes to experience this masterpiece in itself, because my words or the camera cannot do the justification to what we are curating over here. So you have to personally be present over here, experience, and let the experience sink into you.
Wonderful. I think there is one of the great video on villa project that we have made, and this is a great product. Legally it is verified. All banks are giving loans if you are looking for loan. It is RERA approved, no legal issue at all. You can trust the developer because he's a great person and has delivered successful project in North Bangalore, and they also have pipeline of projects in coming years in North Bangalore. So no worries about legal or anything. If you are not in Bangalore, you are in other states, or if you are an NRI, you can directly reach out to us on the given number, or you can reach out on WhatsApp. If you are visiting the project, please let us know. Rajeshri is always here to assist us and help to make a fine decision, right? Thank you so much, Rajeshri. It was pleasure talking to you. We'll see you soon again.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.